rebuild. Last video we got the bumper completely on, we got this headlight on, fixed the tabs that were broken on it, also fixed the coolant leak that was on the bottom, had to buy a completely new hose. Today's video we want to get the bumper back off, bond anything we need to, like the license plate holes. There were some deep scratches over here. If we can't sand them out, we'll go ahead and bond them. So let's get into it, pull the bumper off, anything else that we need to take off. Sorry about the lighting, I know it's really bright back here, but yeah, let's go ahead and get it off and get to work.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we just got done primering the front bumper. We used up a whole can. This is white primer instead of buying the gray stuff. Some pretty decent stuff, works pretty well. We are gonna have to sand it down with the 800 afterwards, just a tad bit, because there are some like paint splats, so we just want to get rid of that. But overall the Bondo looks good, can't really notice it. And of course this is the underside of the bumper. The holes that we did right here, pretty good. So now we're gonna let it cure for a few hours, and then we'll just go ahead and paint it with the paint that we bought. guys, so it is the next day here. We let the bumper cure overnight just so the clear coat wouldn't be sticky. I just went ahead and just put it on 4 bolts on the top. I didn't fully mount it. We need to go ahead and assemble it, so actually get all the pieces like the grill-ons. So we have the grills over here, and then we have the fog lights and the rest of the plastics. Of course, we still have inner fenders to mount because they come in 2 pieces, so we have 1 piece in there, but the second half goes over there. So I mean, the bumper turned out pretty good, honestly, considering the conditions that we were painting in. It was kind of windy. It kind of sucked, but I mean, it's mismatched just a little bit. I'm not sure if the camera can capture that. Don't mind this gap yet because the bumper's not on. It is mismatched a little bit, but if you take a look, most of the bumpers are a little bit mismatched from metal things like the fenders and the hood. So this is honestly not that bad. We do have a little bit of clear coat drips over here. Luckily this was the second clear coat layer, so this is an easy buff, maybe like 1,000, 1,500, and then we'll buff it out. Of course we probably will buff the bumper wherever it needs to be. If there's a lot of places that we need to do it, then we'll just go ahead and do the whole bumper. So honestly, pretty happy with how it turned out. At least the bumper isn't black anymore or primered. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We got everything completely on. It's all perfect. Under tray is on, all the inner fenders are on, bumper is on, really nice, painted and everything. Our next step is to get the car registered, so we have to go, in California, we have to do a brake light and smog check, and then we'll also do a little bit of alignment. I think our alignment is just a tad bit off, and then after that we can go to the DMV. Then we just wait for our plates and the car's gonna be good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos. We're still obviously doing other stuff. Still gotta finish the Margate cart, so that's gonna be fun and exciting. So thank you guys so much for watching. subscribe, and we'll see you next time.